All right, guys, we got the 2022 Husqvarna TE150i here, and customer's going to pick this up today. So I'm going to take it out. We're going to do a little ride on it, make sure the brakes and everything work, make sure any buildup is cleared off the bottom of the rev, listen for any weird noises, and just kind of give it a check over, make sure everything feels tight and good. Let's do it. Things are so quiet. I absolutely love it. This is a good time. We usually make sure that the speedometer is working. You guys hear that little sludge off the bottom? That's just from it being brand new. That's what we want to get cleared out before we hand it to the customer. Now, keep in mind, guys, this is after we've already done this ride is after we've already done the first initialization run, which we have to run the bike up to a certain temperature and a couple more heat cycles. So this thing at this point should be good to go. Everything feels good. She's ready to go.